Hey guys, I'm Dini Klein, and the Incredible Egg has invited me to share one of my absolute favorite dinner egg recipes. Hey, I'm Dini Klein, and Walmart has invited me to share one of my favorite summer recipes. Guys, I'm Dini, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Tastemade and Starbucks on a summer recipe book, Coffee Dawn to Dusk. When most people think weight loss, they automatically think restrictions. But with the brand new Weight Watchers Freestyle program, they've given you the freedom to eat what you want. You hear me? Stop. Ha! Ah! Definitely take your seeds out if it's spicy. Quesadilla day, everybody. So come on, I'm gonna show you how to make this quesadilla loaded with tons of vegetables and cheese and sauce and all kinds of goodies. But stick around to the end to find out how this turns into breakfast. The sound. Ooh, but so good.
Is a chef and she's the founder of Prep and Rally, and today she's preparing her delicious, crazy kitchen sink cookies. And there's a reason they're called kitchen sink cookies. Please welcome Dini Klein to our home.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Okay, you want to tell them what it is?
Okay, so ingredient number one.
I saw it sitting there.
It's not peanut butter.
It's not peanut butter. It's not
Oh, it's
almond
not?
butter. Miso paste.
What?
I had made a miso
No
glazed
way.
salmon from a meal prep a couple weeks back, and I had it sitting in my fridge, and I was like, hey, why not? You're coming in.
That is so cool.
That's literally where I get inspiration. I open my fridge and I'm like, I don't want to go to the grocery store. Let me see what I can throw in here. It's kind of like chopped at home. It's great.
Wow.
At the end of the day, I'm exhausted, okay? I'm so tired, but dinner comes together in just minutes when you have eggs. Am I right? Do I need to explain it to you again?
Let's have a little taste. I
Yes.
want to remind you, last time you were here, we were talking about your great meal prep system, Prep and Rally.
Prep and Rally.
And apparently your daughters kind of got in on the fun as well. We got a little clip. Let's take a look.
Prep and Rally. Today I'm going to be eating cucumber and tomato and salad with ketchup. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm eating cucumbers and
Yeah, don't choke.
I mean, they don't miss anything. They must have seen you kind of doing your
It's
thing.
crazy. You would think I train them. They do this on their own. And my older one even says, guys, you got to subscribe to Mommy's Prep and Rally.
Yeah.
It's so good. Thumbs up. And as always, we want to hear from you. So share your recipes, tips, restaurant recommendations, and entertaining ideas. Where are they going to send them?
They're going to send them to the Daily Meal. I'm Roger Lodge.
And I'm Dini Klein.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
We already said we're bringing the wine. Bye, guys.
Dini Klein.
Dini, you came to the right person to talk about food. Yes. I love it so much, and I love what you do. Tell me a little bit about your meal plan process.
Thank you. Yeah, so I prep 8 or 9 staple dishes on Sunday, and we do it live on my Instagram together, which is super fun. It kind of takes the annoying part about cooking, where you're kind of isolated in your kitchen alone. Everything is stressful and hard.
Right.
It takes forever, and you spend a ton of time and money. Making it simple, doing it together, prepping these staple dishes for the week, and then I show you how to make 4 amazing, unique dinners Monday through Thursday.
Please welcome back our friend, Chef Dini Klein. Welcome back.
Welcome to
Before we even get started with the galette, I just have to say congratulations.
A little bit larger than last time I was here. I've been eating too many pumpkin galettes.
That is not true.
Put this in the oven, 350 degrees for about 35 minutes or so. It's gonna set up. I can't hold it anymore, it's getting super heavy, but it's gonna be amazing, and then we're gonna dust it with powdered sugar. Quick, let's go. That vinegar hits your nose. So many potent things going on today. There's the hot, the cold, the sticky, the sweet, the crunchy. There's such great flavors and textures packed in here. Plus, we're repurposing it for tomorrow's breakfast. Let's go. Bye, guys. Cheers. I hope you love them. Enjoy.